Bonjour, Kinamaganene Ireland Indishnikas, and welcome to an overview of our Week 34 learning plan. Today's learning plan will come in an email with a few reminders and an attached newsletter that was sent home with the students on Tuesday. The reminders will include the fact that book fair continues through tomorrow, which will be May 7th, as this video is recorded on Thursday evening. And we also are continuing our NWEA testing through next week. If you have any questions about testing, please send me an email and I'd be happy to answer them. Let's look at our week 34 learning plan. We have a normal schedule for the week. You'll notice again, Wednesday is 7:45 to 11:15 with Project Aware program in the afternoon, AK after 11:15. Reading, we're going to focus on drawing inferences on Monday and Tuesday and main ideas on Thursday and Friday. Writing, we'll be wrapping up our narratives while continuing our research paper in Unit 6 of Writing City. In math, we're working on measurement and data, and we'll have our first check my progress for Chapter 11 on Thursday. In science, we're going to take some time to review the water cycle. We'll also visit with Science Bin and spend a little time with Mystery Doug, as we'll let students choose what we view there. Social studies, the first 2 days we'll be wrapping up public issues. Wednesday, we'll go to iCivics with Can You Believe It? And then Thursday and Friday, we'll spend a little bit of time introducing world religions. This 2-day mini lesson will set the table for when students go to middle school next year and have to learn it more in depth. This will give them an opportunity just to be able to identify the three that they'll be studying and some very basics. In math enrichment, we're going to continue with mean, median, and mode on Monday, Tuesday with line plots, Thursday ratios, Friday area of a triangle. And I'm going to encourage students who, if they have questions about ratios, to maybe view the video earlier in the week, as we'll be doing the NWEA math assessment beginning on Tuesday. Tech is our standard. Citizenship we'll be reviewing ahead of the quote unquote final test that'll be taking place in a couple weeks, just to see what they recall from this year. We always encourage students to read for 20 minutes, and we generally have that scheduled in during our day. Words Their Way is our science or our spelling program. It's important that students spend time on that and keep up, and it'll help their spelling skills. In the next 2 weeks, we will also be completing spelling inventories, some reading assessments, the maze assessment, and kind of giving students an overview of where they are at and where they will want to go as far as preparing over the summer for their middle school experience. Office hours, by the way, are still 3:10 to 3:30. I do not run office hours on Wednesday, as most students are not available. However, I am available via telephone and email. I do my best to answer as soon as I can. So if you have something to send me an email, I'd be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. As I mentioned, the book fair ends tomorrow on the 7th. There'll be a lot of things coming up for students as we're preparing for the end of the year, especially in the last week of May and the first week of June. So I'll be looking forward to additional newsletters and probably much more lengthy overview videos. I hope everyone has a great Friday and then a great weekend, and I look forward to another awesome week of learning here at the Saginaw Chippewa Academy. Have a minute, Gijigad, Minwa, Pamapi.